Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I have lost over an hour of recording. So, I'm gonna spend this video trying to get this dumb drone that has taken over an hour to get to the progress I have right now. So, what do I need? Another one? Oh. This took forever. Forever. And I lost so much recording because my tablet turned off. Just randomly. This is stupid. Anyways, in this time, I managed to pop a Tabby Gordo, encounter a gold slime, and end up getting another gold plort. Encounter a lucky slime and not get any money from it. Because I never seem to have shit on me. And did I tell you about the? Oh, I also did slime science and got to the ancient ruins and yeah. And that is why this video is called Slime Ranch. And since of that and terrible thing, that's why this video is called Slime Rancher. Slime Rancher 6.75. Actually, no. I either named it that or Slime Rancher 6 3/4, something like that. I will express my feelings for what has happened soon. Through an achievement. Beatrix isn't gonna actually hold up. That's better expression on her face. Welcome back. You've been knocked out. You'll rest at least 12 hours in order to recover. If you might wake up to a mob of hungry, unruly slimes on your ranch. Oh, yep, I did. Definitely did. Let me just fix that. Just grab a bunch of these. Just take them. Actually, it's probably quicker to do this. This video might not have any edits in it, actually. But we'll see. We'll see. Because it's probably going to end by the time I, like, get a drone or something. Just eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them. Eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them. Be happy. And then I'm going to put the extra 19... 20, and it goes there. Those guys are unhappy, so, I don't know. Grab a 10 Oka-Okas. I don't have a floor collector with them yet, so they just get 10. This slime's still here. I don't like the fact that it's unhappy, so, here. You get that. Where's the slime toy from before? I had a yarn ball. What happened to it? Oh, there it is. There you go, take it. Alright. It's gonna be quicker to go this way. So... No, you are not sacrificing yourself. You go over that way. I need you. Ain't bad. I would put him over this roof, but I would lose him with all the other chickens around this area. The reason I went to the ancient ruins was because I needed quantum plorts. Oh, that recording. All because my tablet turned off. Seriously, that is just stupid. Filmix is like the only option I currently have for this. And of course, it apparently sucks at it. Come on, Hexacomb. It only gave me one. Hexacomb, bee stuff and geometry, the chocolate and peanut butter of nature. Well, believe it or not, I believe that on one of my saves I have more royal jelly than Hexacomb. Also, I can buy a treasure pod cracker Mark 1 to open basic treasure pods. Also that, and also the tabby's gone, the tabby slime from the last 2 episodes. Because that was hanging out there. I popped that Gordo over there. The reason I'm not going through that is because of the fact that I don't have the overgrowth unlocked yet, which is why I'm climbing over. Probably gonna unlock that next episode. Like, I want to complete the game in this, but why do I feel like this series is gonna be shorter than the first one? The 13 episode series where I didn't even complete the game. Wrong thing. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, how much hexacomb do I need for this bonus? Oh, thank goodness it's only 2. And then I can finally complete the collection. And how in the world did you get here? You came in here, so you're being sacrificed to the pink slime. It's like one happy one in there. Oh yeah, and I also did that. So over here, I should be able to find a few more pink plorts. I need 20 actually. It's quite a bit. Which actually means that it's probably going to be the quickest to come over here and get 45 food of any type. Because pink slimes don't have a freaking food. Believe it or not, once you start doing slime science, pink slimes are a must. You must harvest pink plorts at some point. It's more efficient to just have someone. I don't understand why you can't place. I don't understand why you can't place drones anywhere else. You can only place drones on the ranch, and you can only place 2 in each expansion. And that's pretty annoying. However, the series won't just be until I beat the game. Sure, I'll be doing other stuff by the time that I get to there, but alright. So now I have enough for a way. There I go. Yay. Hopefully I'll be happier for the next episode, but you never know since I basically just record a bunch of episodes next to each other. This thing lasts for 3 cycles. I don't have anything on me, so I'm just gonna sacrifice myself. I don't need these things, I'm happy. And oh, look at that. The corrals are all full. And this one has a lot of plorts lying on the ground. But, I mean, it doesn't even have a little filter yet, so that makes sense. Alright. Time to go out. Oh, also, I got a few achievements. I can't remember whether I got the Up All Night achievement last episode. I also can't remember the, oh yeah, it was this episode that I got the, or it was, the other one. Beatrix is like kind of. I think Beatrix mood is about as fucking mood as me. Having to spend like this long. Now, usually in games, it's sped up so that way, you know. Usually on games where you're at, or the timeline's probably not the way that it. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Thank goodness! Get me out of this horrible place! Get me out! Ah! Sweet release! You never know if I actually end up getting that old recording back. If I ever do, it will be made into a video. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm out. Finally, yes. Finally. Done it. Oh, and also I got the ball pit achievement from walking into the corral with those pink slimes. I didn't even get on them. I just got the achievement. Alright. Finally. Drone. I have been released. I am getting happy now. Yes, my mood is happier. I'm happy now. Sort of. Not really. Alright. If you watch my old videos, you will know this. Caching low. Utilities. Drone. A helper bot that can be programmed to buzz around your ranch and perform a variety of tasks. But apparently not feed your veggie eating slimes and fruit eating slimes at the same time unless it's a double drone. Man. Did I get double drones in my second series? If I did, that would be kind of ridiculous considering it's a 5-episode series with no cuts. And all the videos are like 10 minutes long. Yeah. And I still got to the ancient ruins. I don't understand. I did get drones though. That's something I do know. I don't understand how that is even possible. Whatever. Source. Lure collectors. Destination. Lure market. Activate.
Like and subscribe to make me happy.
Alright, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.